Cool Kicks YouTube channel, guys. Back out in SoCal. Been out in NorCal here and there. Been hitting them shops. All right, back in Santa Clarita. This definitely sticking out. Had to see what's up. Waller jersey, $70. That is an XL. Is this a Niners? Nah, man. Dang it, man. They be getting me with the red. Do got a Murray jersey, $100, and this is that. I don't know if it's like hella authentic, but it has elastic on the sides right there. Haven't seen too many like that. This is over $300 retail. $300 retail, $100 here. You see it, everything is sewn on. That is just hella fire. You got a Tiger Woods shirt right here. I don't know. I don't see a price tag though. Got these in multiple sizes, and it shows the numbers. I don't remember what size each of the numbers is. This is a 44. I think this is like a medium, or I think that's a medium. Then got another one right here. Yeah, another 44 going for $100. Nike SB shirt going for $15. Red Sox shirt says $35. I highly doubt this is $35. Checking another rack right here. What is this? Who's this? Amari Cooper jersey? Oh man, this thing is hella nice. Damn, it's a large. It feels a medium. Definitely would scoop it up for a couple people I know, but dang, it's a large, yo. $70. God dang, dude, this one's dope too. Normally $170, so $110 or $100 off. Lakers t-shirts right here. This is a double XL going for $15. Also got a small right here. All right, moving on to the sneakers and the size 10, 10.5 right here. Got these things, been seeing these here and there. Weird MMW5 slides. These normally go for like $2 or something. They're down to $100. Still way too much. Got Prestos going for $60. Decent colorway. Super Reps right here. These are the Super Rep Go 3s. Going for $40. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's going for $70. Multiple colorways here. Got Jordan 2 Retros, $120 for those. Flight 95's going for $80. GT Hustle 2's down to $80. The hell is this? One of the ISPA's going for $100. These are interesting. ISPA's are way overpriced in my opinion. Cosmic Unity 3s. This is a Team Bank colorway. Going for $80. I'd never seen that colorway. Got some LeBron Zoom Generations right here. These are 9.5 though. $150. Got some Hirachis in a pretty dope colorway. Going for $60. Jordan 2 Pythons right here. $140 for those. Been seeing these on sale on the Nike website. I think they've been 20% off on the Nike website. See what they're going for here. $150. I think they're cheaper on the Nike website. I really do. This does have the extra laces and stuff. No box top. $150. They got one in a 10.5 right here as well. If you guys don't check the Nike out often, at least you guys have social media, right? You have to have social media, dude. That's what I saw. Where Nike had 25% off. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here, $120. Multiple colorways of those. Manoa leathers. I do need boots. $50 for these. This is like the cheapest you'll ever see Manoa boots. I really do need boots. I have like a couple hundred pair of sneakers. No boots, dude. No boots for the winter or the rain. I'm gonna think about that one. All right, we're moving up to the size 11s. Nike by You or Nike by Kai right here. Yeah, these are Pegasus Trail 4s. Yeah, no, these are pretty whatever color-wise. But look at this, $40. $40. Nike by You deals here are amazing. Nike by You are usually pretty expensive if you do it online. Got Forces right here. Mostly red, down to $70. The Omnipresent 36 lows, $80 for these. Man, we've seen these at so many different clearance stores. Fadeaways down to $50. Jordan 2s, we've seen these in so many different sizes. These are the Pythons, go for $140. Air Max 97 B Trues, been seeing these forever here, $1.50. Infinity Run 4, starting to see a lot of these here, going for $80. These are pretty comfy. Jordan 7s, these are size 11s, $160 for this. Is the white infrareds. Size 12, do got some all white mids, going for $100. Hello Kitty Prestos, down to $70, been marked like 4 times. LeBron 21s, these are 12 and a half. Looks like they've definitely been tried on. $100 for those. Jordan 37s, these are $80. Quandos, $100. I can't believe these are still here. All right, I'm back in the apparel section because this is really interesting. Do got some tech fleece. Is this in the wrong section? I know these ain't $149 because it shows $149, but look, $30. Are these really $30? This is a triple XL, but that's kind of crazy. They got some golf slacks. These are hella thin, going for $30 as opposed to $90. Do got some snowflake. What are these sweats? Go for $25. Got these cargo pants right here. Nike SB cargo pants. They are loose fit though. They are loose fit. And are these really $30? $30? Are you serious? It's a 36. And these are pretty dope, dude. Yeah, these are 36, which are gonna be loose on me, and then like I'd have to get this altered because it's like way too long. Dang it. Yeah, that's dope. That is a dope find right here. Wow. Got some more sweats right here. These look really big. These are tech fleece. This is an XL, $60 for that. $30 for Jordan. It's like the Jordan Flight sweats right here, normally $90. Damn, really good time to buy sweats now that winter is winding down. $50 for these. This is really thick and it's usually $100. I buy stuff off season all the time. $25 for those sweats right there. Small tech fleece right here, $60, more than 50% off. And I always do talk about not putting stuff on your credit cards. Please don't put stuff on your credit card, you guys, because you know these are really good deals, but you still throw stuff on your credit card, gonna start paying 20. Damn, some of the interest is up to like 30%, which is freaking insane. Credit card debt right now is crazy. So yeah, so don't do that, you guys. Do got a ton of basketball shorts. A lot of it's like super thin though, not really what I'm into. Back in the sneaker section, this is the big feet gang, sizes 13 and up. Got black Forces right here. First one highs go for 60. Seeing a lot of these J's here too. These Jordan 1 High Reimagined. Got some Converse here that just couldn't make it to the Converse outlet. $50 for those. KDs, these are size 13 women, size 11 have $70 for KDs. That's definitely still. I know these are really good for hoops. Infinity Run 4s go for $80. GT Jump 2s go for $80. That's one of the better prices. Moving on to the 14s, got Air Forces right here. These are going for $80. $100. These are 12 and a half though. Size 15. Look at this. Infinity Run finding 3s. $40 for those. Extended size pricing for sure. $35 for the Vomero 16s. Pegasus 39s go for $30. $110. Do got the Jordan 1 Low OGs right here. The Black Toes. Del Dons. I don't know. $60 for the Metcons right here. All right, moving down to the 9s. $80 Air Max 90s. Jordan 1 Low, $110. And those got the faux alligator print on it. $110. If you need some baseball cleats, look at this. Force Trout 9s go for $25. Air Spans, I saw these in a few different sizes, didn't see the prices on it. $50 for this Bordeaux colorway. Jordan 1 Low Comforts, $120. Hitting up the women's section real quick. Look at this. Look at this. Extended size pricing. These are size 14 women's, 12 and a half men's. Look at this, $35. 35 freaking dollars. Wow. Jordan 1 Low size 12 women's. for 90. Jordan 1 high OGs, look at the price, $75. This is size 10 right here, going for $75. 10 and a half men's, my bad. 12 women's, are you serious? Are you serious? Wow. More than 50% off, that's insane. 11 and a half women's, this is a size 10 men's, $70 freaking dollars. Got Jordan 2s right here, $60 for these. 11 and a half women's. The mids going for $100. $60. These are size 11. Got a size 10 on these Metcon, size 10 men's, 11 and a half women's. These are still $35. Stadium 90s. Look at these J's, $35 for these. Holy cow. Even size 11, which is 9.5 men's. And do these come with the regular laces? No, they don't come with, oh, they do come with the regular laces. They're right there. Look at this. $75 freaking dollars. These are Gamma Forces down to 50. If you don't wear really, really big size in the men's, check out the women's, man. I'm telling you. All right, we are back to the apparel section, and I'm telling you, if you guys don't mind buying off-season stuff, just grab these, hold it for a bit, and then it's gonna be winter soon again. Look at this, $100 down to $40. This is a nice hoodie right here. Not as thick as the one that I have, but not bad. $60 off. Super Bowl dry fit. Just a pullover. It's super thin though. It is super thin. $35. This is a John Morant's? I think so, right? John Morant's. $80 down to $30. Got some Chinese stuff on top of the head. Tech fleece down to $70. This is bright as hell though, man. Jordan, this is a bomber jacket, $80. Normally like $2 something. Normally $2 something. Not bad. More Jaw hoodies right here, go for $40. Nike SB gear. I don't understand what the hell that's about. This is a small, it's super, super thick. This is one of the few Nike hoodies that's as thick as the sweater I have on right now. $40. Normally $110. I just don't understand. It's an SB, but he has a football helmet? I don't understand. It's a pullover, but it has a collar. I'm confused on this one. $30 for that. This is the small section, but also have XL. Going for $50 right here. Another one of those confusing things right here. Going for $30. All right, I think I did cover most of the stuff here. Obviously, I didn't cover kids as well as the women's section. I think I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to come back. They do have a lot of really, really good stuff here. Definitely worth a visit. Got Flight. What are these sweats right here? What the hell is this? They only have this color though. Yeah, those are down to $30. That is a hell of a deal. Got Jordan hoodies right here. These are pretty thin. Double XL too, so maybe, yeah, they're all just double XL, going for $25. But I think that's about it, you guys. I think that's about it. Make sure you guys help avoid. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. Tons and tons of interesting finds here. That's just crazy. I would think Cardinal fans would be representing, especially for $100. Well, that's about it, man. That's about it. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Got plenty coming. See y'all. We're out.